Hi friends. Okay, let me turn this off. Okay, we are about to leave for Paris. I should be packing. I'm literally so behind. It's not even funny. I was supposed to start packing like 4 days ago and that didn't happen. So instead I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, but I wanted to make a video because I'm getting my eyebrows done tonight for the first time in like, I bet it's been 5 years. The only thing I've ever done to them before is I've gotten them like waxed before and shaped. But I just stopped doing it because it was so expensive and I would get so scared. They're gonna like hack off half my eyebrow. Eyebrows frame the face, do they not? Are they not little frames for the face? Saw someone on Instagram the other day and they had laminated brows and I was like, those brows look amazing. Now I'm gonna try it so you guys will get to see kind of like the before and after. This is the before. Let's get a good look here in the natural lighting. Proud of them. I like them. Eyebrows are great. Natural eyebrows. We're just gonna try to accentuate their shape a little bit. So we're gonna go get my brows laminated today. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Okay, I just arrived. I just got really nervous. This is so silly, but guys, the brows are important and I'm just nervous, so. Oh, hi. I was like, maybe it's over here. Good, how are you?
Is this your first time doing brow lamination?
Yes, this is my very first time.
Are you doing tint as well?
So I had some questions about tint.
Yeah. What do you like about the tint? Like, do you like it to be more natural? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it to be more natural. I think I really don't like when I can see, because I like the color of my brows.
Yeah.
Is this like cleaning them? This
Yeah, I
is
had
like a
to
little
cleanse
spa.
them. I know, you have to. What do you usually
This is a look.
What do you usually use for like your brow paste? Do you use like the soap or just like gel?
No, I think it's like Anastasia brow gel or something like that.
Okay. And that's what I was gonna, my following question, do you like more of the like tapered ends?
You know, it's funny because when I do them myself, I think I like them to be like the messy. But then when I saw yours, I loved when you had them clean.
Yeah, like
I feel like I have like thick, long brow hairs.
okay, yeah, I'll definitely be trimming because I can tell that you're gonna need just like a trim.
Yeah, I need a little bit of a trim.
At the skin and also on the hair. So the hybrid henna tint lasts 7 to 14 days on the skin, 6 to 8 weeks on the hair, as opposed to the regular, more natural looking tint, 5 to 7 days on the skin, 2 to 4 weeks on the hair. This is a perm
Being
for
a
your
kid,
brows.
oh wait, it's all coming back. My best friend's mom was a hairdresser.
Yes.
And this is what it used to smell like.
For sure.
It smells a little bit like Nair too. Back when I used Nair when I was like 14. I don't know if you ever used that. Do people still use Nair? It's already begun, it's the beginning.
This is the beginning of it.
I figured if anything smelled that strong, I had to be doing something pretty powerful.
Be around her and like to really, you know, mingle with her.
So this must be the second part of the perm. I honestly don't know what it is. It looks like she might be like hydrating my brows. I don't know, but it was so relaxing. I have trouble watching it without just like wanting to take a nap. It's like ASMR, but without sound. Is that possible? I don't know, but it was luxurious. My brows look humongo.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Like, it's gonna look full either way.
I knew it. I was like, these are gonna look big because I could feel how much hair is in them. I kind of love it though.
No,
like,
I mean, like, just even how it's being placed, chef's kiss.
wow, this is fun. And we
Prime
do.
them, and then we set them, and then we wax them, and then we tint them, and then final touches.
So is it setting now?
Yes, it is.
Some people like them to leave them like this, and some people trim them, like you said, so that
Yeah,
they're
so
even.
some people like to, yeah, exactly. I'm gonna trim them for sure,
Yeah.
just to get the ends
they
just a
look like
little more
little
tapered.
caterpillars.
But like, believe it or not, here, let me show you.
Okay, how long have my brows been cooking for? Just waxed, we're a little red. Getting eyebrow wax is like literally nothing compared to getting a bikini wax. So this is literally half the time that you would put on the tint. Is that correct? Okay, cool. So we're just getting like a little sample. All right, so this is the final step.
This is the final step.
And this just super hydrates them.
Yep.
So just repeating it for all the millions of viewers.
There you go.
So I decided to trim them down a little bit because
It's all
it's all preference, people, and these are shocking me. But they're so fun.
The
It's
point
to
of the
make them-
lamination is to make them look a little fluffier. if that makes sense, like a little thicker.
All right, we're trimming them. Husband, what do you think of my eyebrows? Speak. Speak to the people.
I like them.
He does. He really likes
From
them.
afar,
I'm
I
shocked.
do like them, yeah.
He says that
It's hard. I don't quite have a definitive answer yet, but right now I like them.
I feel the exact same way. When I was in her place, I think right now I like them, but I don't know if I like them full time yet.
We'll see.
Oh, they look better in the video, I think, than in real life.
Let me see.
Look, in the video they don't even look that large.
No, they don't. They actually don't at all.
They look like normal size.
They just look more striking. Yeah.
Let me get a close up. Yeah, so far so good. They look like way smaller on videos. It's just in my head, but in real life, I feel like they're like caterpillar. But it was a success. She did a great job. I'm loving this. I'm probably gonna keep getting it done, even if I just decide not to tint them anymore. I think I'll get used to how large they are. Getting a close up of the shape. The shape is like impressive.
No, this brow is literally killing me. Like if I could
I feel
remove it and put it on my head, I swear to God.
That's so funny. I know, that's my good brow. She knows. I have to stop looking at my eyebrows and start packing.
How you do? You can put the TV on whatever you want.
Thank you. Okay, I need some coffee. I have my cute little cup of coffee, so back to packing. Okay, how I've decided to pack is that I'm putting all of my favorite items that I can't imagine going to Paris without on the bed. Then I'm gonna build my outfits around those items. This is the first time I've ever done it like that. Normally I go based on weather, but I want to trust based on the weather. I know it's gonna be cold, and then I'm just gonna build the outfits and see how that goes. Okay, the problem is I have like 8 jackets. None of them are that warm, and I want to bring them all to Paris, and like that's probably gonna fill my suitcase. Just choices, people. It's not gonna be easy. It's day 2 of packing. The day before we leave, and this is just like a continual fashion show. I'm literally like I have to put on clothes to like really figure out if I want to wear it or not. And then I try to think of like, what am I gonna do in it? Do you see the bed right now? Oh gosh, I am so anxious. Someone come over and help me pack. Okay, progress, we're doing it. Okay, so I love this dress. It's in Alice and Olivia. I got it at a consignment store. So I love this dress, but I just feel like it'll be better wearing it on our next trip, but it's gonna be warm in Italy. By the way, there's literally no plan on going to Italy. I'm just speaking it into existence. I've not stopped saying that to my husband. Love this coat, but gotta put it back. And I'm also packing like 80 coats. Whoops. Definitely bringing this. It's from an 80s music video. I'm not exactly sure how I want to fully style it, but I know that I'm gonna bring it. I'm getting excited. Yes, I am. Hope I didn't flash everyone. Quick fashion tip. Okay, if you have a hem falling down like this skirt here I have from high school, but I just love it, but the hem falls down and sometimes you just don't feel like getting out your sewing machine, or honestly you just don't have one and you can't be bothered. You just buy double-sided interfacing and you use an iron and it's sticky on both sides. You press it and voila. You can find it at your local fabric store and you can use it to hem pretty much anything lightweight. And back to packing. So obviously I'm trying to fit as much as I can into the luggage. So I am taking this new boot that I got, so it's brand new, and I'm gonna put all my underwear and socks inside the shoe, which I've never thought of doing that before, so hopefully it'll save me some space. Okay, we are making progress. Take a look. Everything is pretty much packed, so we're just getting the apartment in order. Just had a slight meltdown because my suitcase is definitely overweight. The meltdown looked like me sitting in silence for 15 minutes staring at it. Outfit is laid out for tomorrow. Good morning. It's the morning that we leave for Paris. I'm not a morning person though, so. Waiting for our Uber. I'm very, very anxious.